doors, not with the six, no shifty shit. We ride with the stick, this shit get lit. Need five.
All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to take you through the steps of what I do to maintain my truck in the wintertime. It's really not that difficult. I filmed it, but the audio didn't come up, so I'll just kind of do step by step what I did. Pretty much rinse the truck off, soap the wheels as best you can with their soap. Do not use a brush or anything. Bring a microfiber with you, clean it off. Very simple. And if you want to go extra step, you can soap the whole truck and then take a microfiber and clean it real quick. It's really that simple. That's how I maintain the truck. That's why my truck's always clean. That's how I do it. Especially up here in the north with all the salt and everything. I try to keep the salt off the truck as much as I can. I really don't drive it too much when there's salt on the roads. At least I try not to, but sometimes I have to. But yeah, that's really that simple. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. All right, here's the results of doing that quick wash. Nothing crazy. Obviously, you can go ahead and wipe the truck off if you want to. Nothing crazy. It's very, very simple. But yeah, I mainly want to get the salt all off my wheels and the wheel wells and everything. But it's really quick, dude. Like, it literally took me 10 minutes. So, I mean, obviously it's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was with all the salt all over the place. But yeah, I appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.